loved this three-dimensional printer so much. I can print anything I imagine. Now let's print a nice cup set for the table. It turned out great, didn't it, Ella? Let's play together when I come back in the evening. I have to leave now. What a magical machine this is. This thread turns into a table and chairs when it gets warm.
So can this machine also make toys?
Yes, we can have new friends.
Let's make a toy with big wheels that will be friends with all of us.
Friends, this machine is Sofia's. It's not right for us to use it.
But I'm so curious.
Let the toy have wings.
And let its wheels be big.
Make it shiny red.
Guys, don't just press the buttons like that. You'll break the machine.
All right, I'm starting it now. Here we go. Started!
Oh no, what kind of toy is this?
It was supposed to have red body, not eyes.
Friends, what have we done?
Hello, my name is Was Was.
Rah!
Hi, Roa. These are Ella, Teddy, and Mons.
Rah!
Okay, got it. Your name is Roa.
Was, I don't think he understands us. I think it's roaring.
Still nice name. Roa, let's play.
Rah! Rah!
Friends, this is a real monster.
I added a monster feature to the settings to make it look like me.
What?
Isn't Roa a friend?
We shouldn't have touched the machine at all. We have to get everything back before Sofia arrives.
You're right, Bear.
So, how do we get rid of it?
If the machine makes toys by heating thread, we can turn it back into thread by heating it.
I got it. Let's use the power of light. We can heat it with a magnifying glass and sunlight.
That's a great idea.
Let's do it!
Position taken. The light is focused on the target.
It's happening!
Yay! It worked, Mons.
Rah! Rah!
I guess we didn't make it. The sun's power is down.
Was Was, Roa is coming towards you.
Mons, thank you. You saved my life.
Rah! Rah!
You look so hungry and angry, Roa.
It's because I added the monster trait.
We all did it together, Mons. It's not your fault. We have to solve this problem together.
Rah! Rah!
Take that, Roa! Oh, so strong!
Rah! Rah!
Mons ran away, guys.
Mons?
We're cornered here. He's going to eat us. We did it!
Toon Kids.
Hello, Mom. Yes, I wish you were here too. I don't want to spend my birthday alone at home.
Sophia was very upset. Did you see it too? Yes, today is her birthday. Her family is out of town. I wish we could cheer Sophia up.
What if we decorate the whole place for her birthday?
Like having a birthday cake.
Then why don't we do it?
By doing these, Sophia might realize we are moving.
We can make it look like Ethan did all this. How? It's very easy. Look, let me explain. Here's what we do. We whip the eggs and sugar. Now, Digger, let's add milk and oil. Vanilla, baking powder, and flour. Hooray! Our cake batter is ready. Let's mix it well and put it in the oven. Let's take the cake to the room. The helicopter is bringing Ethan.
Got you now. Ugh, escaped again. You can't escape from me! Oof! Where did this helicopter go? What's happening here? This cake, decorations, balloons, this gift. What are you up to again?
Oh, Ethan, I can't believe it.
I didn't do anything, Sophia. It was like this when I arrived.
What do you mean?
I don't know. The toys must have done it.
You're such a joker, Ethan. Thank you, my dear friend. You didn't forget my birthday. You even made a cake.
Yes, Sophia, there's also a cake. Happy birthday. Shall we eat your cake now?
Sure, Ethan, but let me open your gift first. I'm very curious.
I'm curious too. What did I get, I wonder?
Ethan, I had the wrong idea about you. I thought you were just some weird kid obsessed with toys. Turns out you're so thoughtful.
Yes, I definitely am. Let's blow out the candles and eat the cake.
Okay, it looks delicious.
Toon Kids. Oof! Where did I put this drawing? Not here either. Could it be under the bed?
Sophia is not here today, it seems. Maybe I can reach out and catch someone. Oh, I've got you! Why aren't these toys moving?
Ethan,
Huh?
what are you doing in my room?
Sophia, were you here too?
Why are you holding my toy, Ethan?
What, this toy?
I'm already feeling down. I had drawn a picture of my favorite toys. I left it on the table, but now I can't find it.
The toys must have taken it for sure.
Are you kidding me? You took it, didn't you? Since you came in like this, you must have come in yesterday and taken my drawing. I'm going to tell Mom about what you did, Ethan.
Don't do it, Sophia, please.
Mom, Ethan took my drawing and won't give it back.
Sophia, I haven't seen any drawing. Please.
Ethan got caught badly. That'll teach him.
Very interesting. I saw Sophia's drawing yesterday too. Ethan was never here yesterday.
Yeah, Ethan couldn't have done this. That means the painting's really gone. We need to find it now.
I don't think there's any need. After this incident, Ethan can never come here again. We will be at ease.
Ethan is a naughty boy, okay. But Sophia will be very upset if she can't find her drawing.
Also, even if he's naughty, we don't want him to be unfairly accused, do we?
Yes, of course, definitely.
Let's start searching. Police, Vos, you go under the bed and thoroughly search there. Fire and ambulance, you look behind the bookshelf and other places. I'll search the shelves with Ella. Helicopter, you fly around inside the room and search from the air.
Helicopter ready for duty. Let's go, guys.
Ella, is there a problem?
No! Why would it be a problem?
You don't seem very eager to help find the drawing.
No, I am looking for it.
Ella, my dear, I think you have something to tell me. Ella?
Yes.
You know where the picture is, don't you? Did Ethan take it? Did you see him?
No, Ethan didn't take it.
Where is it then, do you know?
It's here.
Hey guys, stop searching, we found the drawing.
Hooray! Where was it?
The drawing is among the books.
I hid the drawing.
Huh?
Don't look like that. You heard right. I hid the drawing.
Why did you do such a thing, Ella? Look how upset Sophia is.
I'm upset too.
Why?
Look, you're all in the drawing, but I'm not. This is my drawing.
I think Sophia reserved a special place for you, Ella. Don't worry, Ella. You just made a mistake in a moment of jealousy, but by not lying to us, you've made up for your mistake.
I'm so sorry to all of you. I promise I won't be jealous like this again.
It happened to Ethan.
Guys, Sophia's coming. Everyone in your places.
Ethan, I don't want you to enter my room without permission anymore.
Can I enter now?
Yes, you can come in.
I didn't take the drawings, but I'll help you look for it. Look, I found it. Is this your drawing, Sophia?
Yay! This is it. This is the one. Look, did I do a good job?
Well, it's not bad. Why did you draw this differently?
I love all my toys very much, but I love Ella even more. That's why I drew her separately.
You little jealous toys. You were jealous of Ella and hid the drawing, didn't you?
Sorry, Ethan, I wrongfully accused you.
Yes, Sophia, you accused me for no reason. Lend me some of your toys so we can make up.
Ethan, you also entered my room without permission. You need to apologize too.
It was an accident. Why should I apologize?
No, Ethan, I can't give you a toy without apologizing.
Fine. Just lend me one of your toys then.
Ethan.
Okay. I apologize. I apologize.
Okay, your apology is accepted. You can take the teddy bear, but only for one day.
Okay. On second thought, I'd better go.
Mommy!
What's wrong with this boy now? He wanted the toy, then he just ran away. Hello, little adventurers! Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of our thrilling and joyful journeys.